Hello children. Children, last week we have completed lesson number 8, Clever Hassan of English 2. So today we are going to start with a new lesson of English 2. So take out your English reader books. Then take out page number 7070. Page number 7070. On that page we are going to start with lesson number 9. And the name of the lesson is The Unhappy Bus. So in this story, we are going to study about the bus who was feeling very sad. Now let's see why the bus was feeling sad. Bus MRR 7044 or 44 as she was called was feeling sad. Now children, you know that on each and every vehicle, number plate is there on the front as well as the back side. So on that number plate, the number of that vehicle is printed. Similarly, this bus also was having a number and that number was MRR 7044. And people used to call it by what name? 44. As the last two digits of this number was 44. So the people used to call it by the name 44. So the name of the bus was 44. Now this 44 was feeling very sad. Ram Saran, 44's driver, was worried. Now, who was the driver of 44? Ram Saran. And this Ram Saran was very worried just because 44 was feeling very sad. He patted 44 to make her feel better. He patted. Like children, when you are feeling sad, your mother or father start patting you on your back with their hands. So, because they love you. Similarly, here also in the story, this Ram Saran started patting 44 because this 44 was feeling very sad, and to make her feel better, Ram Saran started patting this bus 44. But 44 did not feel better. Even then, in spite of Ram Saran this was patting this 44, even then 44 was not feeling better. She was still sad. She was just unhappy. Every day she saw the same roads, the same places and the same people. Why this 44 was unhappy? Because every day she used to go on the same route. She used to see the same roads, the same places and the same people. Like children, when you are coming to school in the morning or when you are going back home in the afternoon when the school gets over, the bus passes through the same route, na? It doesn't change its route. The bus, every day, you come from the same way and you go from the same way. So that bus has to follow the same route every day. So similar was the case with this 44 bus also. That this bus has to see the same roads, the same places and the same people used to get into the bus also every day. And this 44 was feeling very sad to go through the same route every day. She wanted some change. Means she wanted to go to some other route. Even before she reached her bus stop, 44 knew many of the people who would be there. Now before reaching the bus stop also, this 44 used to know that who all people will get into the bus. She was familiar with all those people who will get into the bus because every day she used to go on the same route. She knew the lady who huffed and puffed as she boarded the bus. Children, the meaning of huffed and puffed, I have written over here, to breathe in a loud and heavy way. Now, huffed and puffed means like to breathe very loudly and heavily. Like when you are running, at that time you start huffing and puffing. So, it means you are breathing very loudly and heavily. So, similar was the case with this lady. This lady was breathing very loudly and she used to get into the bus huffing and puffing. As she boarded means to get into the bus. She knew the thin old man who slept all the way. This 44 also knew that old man who used to get into the bus until his destination used to come. That old man used to sleep all through the way. 44 knew the three schoolgirls who always sat beside each other. This double four bus also knew those three schoolgirls who every day used to get into the bus. And those three girls always used to sit beside each other. I need a change, double four said to herself as she rested that night. Then, that night, one night, what happened? As she was resting, double four thought that I need a change. I want some change. I don't want to go onto the same route every day. I need a change. I want to see new places. Double four thought at that time while resting that I want to go to new places. Places that are different. Tomorrow I shall run away. Places, this double four wanted to see new places which are different because she was bored of going on the same route every day, going on the same roads, going on the same, watching the same places and watching the same people getting into the bus. So she was bored of all these things and she wanted some change. She wanted to see new places. So she thought that tomorrow in the morning I will run away from here. The next morning, as soon as the depot gates were opened, double four quickly drove out before anyone could stop her. Depot gates means like the bus stand where the buses are resting, are standing at night. That is called the depot. Depot means a bus stand where the buses are standing. So the next morning, what happened when the depot gates were opened, when the gates of the bus stand were opened, double four quickly drove out, quickly went out from the bus stand before anyone could stop her. Double four took a new road. She saw new places. At that time, double four quickly took a new road and she started watching new places because she has taken new road. Now let's move on to the next page. She went to the seaside. Now where did she go? She went to the seaside. She saw people wading in water and sleepy camels on the sand. Wading means to walk through water. Like she also saw people on the seaside who were walking through the water, and she also saw the camels who were sleeping on the sand. Like you can see in this picture, these people are just going to walk through the water and these camels were sleeping on the sand. So double four has seen all these things, all these people and the camels who were sleeping on the sand. Double four sped on to Plaza Cinema. Then sped means to speed up. She speeded up to the Plaza Cinema. She also saw a church. What else did she see over there? She also saw a church. Double four raced with the school bus, and then she saw that one school bus was going on the way, and then she started racing with the school bus. Then a girl waved at her to stop. Meaning of waved is, like children, to move your hand side to side. Means when you want to attract somebody, you start waving your hand, or if you want to stop somebody, you start waving your hand. So a girl was standing on the way and she started waving her hand to stop the bus. The girl looked a lot like one of the school girls. Double four knew. Like earlier, double four used to go, when double four used to go on the earlier roads. So there she has seen that three girls used to get into the bus every day. Now this girl who was waving her hand to stop the bus, when double four saw this girl also, this double four realized that this is also one of the school girls who used to get into the bus. But this girl was not that one from among those three girls. This girl was a different one. Double four next rolled on to Central Park where some boys were playing cricket. Then double four, where did she go? She went to the Central Park where some boys were playing cricket. Then double four suddenly stopped. At that time, double four suddenly stopped. There, before her eyes, was the lady huffing and puffing. Why did she stop over there? Why did double four stop suddenly over there? Because she saw a lady who was huffing and puffing. Children, I have told you the meaning of huffing and puffing before also, like to breathe very loudly and in a heavy way. She was walking down the road. Could it be the lady from her bus stop? That lady was walking down the road, and this 444 started thinking, is she the same lady who used to get into her bus? No, it wasn't. It was somebody else. For a moment, it had looked like her. Now, when 444 saw her, then she started thinking, no, this lady is not the one who used to sit into her bus. She was somebody else. For a moment, she looked like the lady who used to get into her bus, but she was somebody else. 444 had felt she was home. When 444 saw that lady, that time 444 felt that she was home, means she was just moving on the same roads when she saw that lady, because she started thinking, 444 started thinking that this lady is the same who used to get into her bus. 444 wondered about the lady. She wondered how the lady would reach her office. Wondered means to ask some questions to yourself. So this 444 wondered about, this 444 started thinking about that lady, that how that lady would reach her office, because I have not gone through that route today. Now how that lady would be going to her office today? Was she too huffing and puffing down the road? Now this 444 was thinking that I have not gone through that road today. Now that lady would be finding difficulty in reaching her office. So would she also be huffing and puffing down the road to find out the vehicle who would drop her to the place where she wants to go, to her office? Children, we will read till here in this video. In the next video, we will complete this lesson. Thank you.